Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here is a problem for today for exam FM on financial mathematics. Jose and Chris each sell a different stock short for the same price. For each investor, the margin requirement is 50% and interest on the margin debt is paid at an annual effective interest rate of 6%. Each investor buys back his stock 1 year later at the price of $760. Jose's stock paid a dividend of 32 at the end of the year, while Chris's stock paid no dividends. During the 1 year period, Chris's return on the short sale is I, which is twice the return earned by Jose. Calculate I. Let us denote the initial price at which the stock was sold short by P. Then Chris's rate of return is, the numerator is how much money he made, which is P minus 760 because he sold at the price P and he bought it back at the price of 760. And then interest on the margin deposit, which was 50% of P at 6%. And this whole thing, the denominator, so the whole thing is divided by what is in the denominator, and the denominator is the amount of money that he had to put down to enter the trade, which was the margin deposit, 0.5p. And this is equal to 1.03p minus 760 over 0.5p. Jose's rate of return would be the same, except that his stock pays a dividend, and because he is short the stock, he has to pay that dividend of 32, which is subtracted from the p minus 760 plus 0.5p times 0.06, the rate of return, just like for Chris, but for Jose we also subtract 32 because he had to pay that. And the whole thing is divided by the money that he put down to enter into the trade, which is 0.5p. So this ends up being 1.03p minus 792 over 0.5p. Now, since Chris's rate of return is twice Jose's rate of return, we have 1.03p minus 760 over 0.5p equal to twice the quantity of 1.03p minus 792 over 0.5p. And this implies that 1.03p minus 760 is equal to 2.06p minus 1584, and from this we calculate that p is 800. And given that I, the rate of return that Chris earned, is p minus 760 plus 0.5p times 0.06 over 0.5p, we calculate it to be equal to 1.03p minus 760 over 0.5p. So 1.03 times 800 minus 760 over 0.5 times 800, and that's exactly 16%. Please remember that this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from a Society of Actuaries, is reproduced with permission, and belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.